This is a sponsor product. I got it to review for you guys. So this is really cool water bottle. As you guys can see, it has really nice, beautiful, dark black color, and it has really nice handle on the top. You can easily carry around with it while you are walking. You can just hold it. If you have backpack with attachments, you can just hang it on your backpack. It will just stay there. Really cool. And the best part inside here, once you open it, you will see that it has this filter cartridge. You can easily uh, just replace the filter if you need to. So the filter treats up to 40 gallons of water, so that is pretty good amount of water. So once you need to replace, it's very easy. You will just turn the bottom part, it will just come off the cap, and you take out the filter cartridge and toss it away, place the new one inside, secure it, and you are ready to go to treat tap water. This will treat tap waters, so you can just refill with tap water and do not try to use anything besides tap water to filter it out. You can use for other beverages, but in that case, don't use the filter. You can also just take it, remove it, and it just in that case you would be able to sip through while you are drinking. So you would just sip through. So that is still really useful, and this can hold your cold water up to 24 hours, which is pretty cool. It's not going to hold the temperature, the identical degree that you pour inside. It's gonna drop down, but it's still going to keep at really close to what you put, especially if you place some ice cube inside. This is going to do a really good job. So this removes, the filter removes PF, PFOA, PFOS, and chlorine as well. So that is pretty cool and very easy to replace. You can use dish soap to just put inside and rinse it. And if you have brush, you can use the brush as well. You can see it has pretty decent opening on the top. So overall, really nice, well made, high quality water bottle. It has really cool color, very nice, deep dark. So I really like it. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.